Give it a 39, man. I'm vibing, bro. I hope you're doing amazing, man. Give it a 39, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I hope your Friday's going good. Your freaking weekend is starting off beautiful. Dude, that window, no. For some reason, I always get stuck in that window. It's probably because I'm too thick, to be honest. Oh my gosh. I'm getting blessed. It's probably because I'm way too thick, but it is annoying. Why does my game sound so quiet? Sniper shot is definitely not warm, as we can see. Bro. As I was saying, yeah, my sniper shot is definitely not warm at all. I fear.
Hostile mosquito is online. Located the rest of them.
Yo, bro's out here jamming. Bro's out here jamming. What the heck? What the? Why does all these guys sound so close? He is close. He's here. He's here.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go
Fluffy. What are we doing, baby? Somebody is jamming out right now, though. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody is absolutely vibing in proc chat right now. Fluffy. Oh my gosh, is this the one that's vibing?
squad. Hunt them down.
Fluffy. I freaking love you, baby.
Gas is moving.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fluffy, you to go, baby. You're the freaking go. Thank you so much for the love, legend. One shot. Absolute. Y'all know I can't snipe, man. One day, though. One day, though. Seriously, baby. Thank you so much for the freaking love. Whoa. Oh.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. You got a loadout drop inbound.
Out. Dude, this guy in the tower is just... might just be the greatest. He might just be the one, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Located the rest of them.
Dang, bro, but he's vibing right now. I'm sorry, but there's no way, dude. There's no way I could ever listen to music in game. There's really no way. Absolutely zero. I'll take this. Buffy, seriously, a million times over. I'm lagging right now. What the heck is going on? You're a blessing, baby. 25 months, yo, Joe, I'm back. And a 30 freaking gifted. What are we saying? Seriously, what are we freaking saying, man? Thank you, man. Happy Friday night. I appreciate you more than you know. God, if you got a gift from Fluffy, that's an absolute legend in the stream. Please thank them, please. For all good things in my soul. Hit marker. Oh. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. Oh. I was like, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know who is sniping me right now. Oh, it's a no glint. Ah, no glint sniper. My bad. It's on me right there. It's on me right there. No glint sniper. We love it. It's on me. Man, I should have prepared for that. It's on me. I should have been more prepared for a no glint sniper. Yeah, but my wall hacks, I guess, like, weren't working right there. Clearly. Oh, I could wait until this fire sale for another loadout. Yo, I might just do that. I'm trying to get my sniper warm. I'm trying to get my sniper warm, man. Fire sale. Oh my gosh, I can actually buy two. Yeah, I'll actually just chuck one up there. I'm gone. Hey, I'm trying to be a chef right now, but y'all know I can't snipe though. But y'all know I can't snipe though.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get hunting.
The specialist!
We located the rest of them.
No, I was like, why do I see any ping? I was like, wait. Like, I don't see any pings on these guys. That's why. No, man. I was like, that's weird. I was like, unless it's a solo and then they're ghosted, I was like, kind of weird, but all good, I guess. Dang it, man. Like, GG's. Kind of strange, though, but... Whoa.
You got gas moving in.
Oh my gosh.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to
No.
normal.
Oh my gosh. Oh. My goodness gracious.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
Got it. There's no way that guy gets rezzed, right? He's actually getting rezzed. What? There's no way.
Gas is moving.
Ain't good.
Remain. You're almost done here.
Oh.
Oh, is that really good?
No, man. Dang it, man. Good shots. Iridescent ranked play. I guess specialist too. Oh man, oh man. Not a bad last game warm up though, baby. Not a bad last game warm up. What was that? I can't see my scoreboard. Oh, never mind. Does Dever? Oh no, what the heck? Not a bad last game warm up, man. What's up, Unfortunate Gamer? I didn't get to watch a ton of the tournaments and stuff. I'm not gonna lie. But we play next Wednesday, I believe, for the good old World Series of Warzone. So that should be a vibe. We finished first in our group yesterday, so we were absolutely zapping. No 23 bomb. No 23 bomb, baby. So this is technically our first game on. Let's get it. My dog today, so thank you for the good vibes. So Fluffy. So sorry to hear that, man. I'm so sorry to hear that, bro.